Hi guys, are you looking for the best paw cleaners for dogs? In this video we will show the best paw cleaners for dogs. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 paw cleaners for dogs you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best paw cleaners for dogs from reputable brands. After much research I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dogness Automatic Dog Paw Cleaner. Sick of coming to a clean floor only to find that it has been ruined by muddy paw prints? Why don't you try out the Dogness Automatic Dog Paw Cleaner? This modern, unique accessory changes the ways in which you can maintain your pet's paws after going for a walk, a hike, or just playing. With 157 densely packed soft silicone bristle tips from food-grade silicone, this electric paw washer cleans deeply for a 1-minute wash. They come with 2 cleaning speeds and 2 rotation directions to make sure that every dirt and stain is removed. A perfect model, simple control. They just have to fill a cup with water, put your dog's paw in the cup and that's it. The USB rechargeable battery can work up to 10 days after 2 hours of charging time. Measuring up to a miniature size, ideal for miniature-sized fur bags, this pink paw cleaner is more than just cleaning tool. It is the grooming brush, the massager, and the excellent pet companion for all us, especially for the pet parents of the small to medium-sized dogs. Number 2. Automatic Dog Paws Cleaner. The Automatic Dog Paws Cleaner is the best solution for pet owners tired of muddy, dirty paws. This innovative USB rechargeable pet foot washer is designed specifically for small and medium-sized dogs, transforming post-walk cleanup into a breeze. Crafted from soft, gentle silicone, the device ensures a comfortable cleaning experience that won't harm your furry friend's delicate paws. Say goodbye to messy floors and time-consuming paw washing. The portable paw cleaner features an intelligent design with soft bristles that effectively remove dirt, mud, and debris from your dog's paws in seconds. Its removable cup makes cleaning and maintenance incredibly convenient, while the compact 10x9 by 16.5 cm size makes it perfect for home or travel. Powered by a long-lasting 1500 mAh lithium battery and charged via USB, this pet foot washer is the ideal gift for dog lovers. Keep your home clean and your pup happy with this must-have pet care innovation. Number 3. Soft Silicone Pet Paw Washing Cup. Get a dog paw washer cup and a towel for paw grooming and cleaning. A brush can be used to clean pet paws through the dog paw washing cup, and the brush can be removed to be used as a bath brush and comb. Pet safe option, softer than plastic. The eco-friendly silicone used to make the portable dog paw cleaner was carefully chosen. This portable dog paw cleaner is available to assist remove mud and filth from the pet's paw. Allowing your pet's paws to enjoy the process of cleaning their feet can keep them healthy and your home tidy. It won't cause any harm to their paws. Save your time by removing mud and grime from your dog's paws. The soft silicone bristles will help you save time and lessen your anxiety. Your dog's soiled or muddy feet can be cleaned with the portable pet foot washing cup. A good paws assistant. Number 4. Silicone Pet Paw Cleaner Massage Brush. This revolutionary dog paw cleaner massage brush will help you keep your dog's paws clean and healthy. This brush, which is made of soft, premium silicone bristles, is intended to massage your dog's paws while gently cleaning them. The grooming procedure is simple and efficient because to its ergonomic design, which guarantees a comfortable grip and effortless handling. To get rid of dirt, mud, and debris, just fill the brush with water and pet-safe soap, put your dog's paw inside, and move the brush. It's a great tool for post-walk care because of its mild massaging function, which helps to calm your dog's paws and increase blood flow. This multi-purpose brush is ideal for small to medium-sized dogs and keeps your pet's paws healthy and clean at all times. Number 5. Foaming Paw Cleaner for Dog. Easy-to-use integrated brush head. This dog paw washer has a scrubber for a mess-free experience. This is an essential dog cleaning item for effective, portable dog paw care since you can squeeze it to release the foaming cleanser and scrape away grime. Foaming Paw Cleaner Solution. The dog paw cleaner produces a thick foam that covers the integrated brush evenly. After outdoor escapades, this movement is ideal for a complete dog paw wash because it helps dislodge debris from in between toes. Antibacterial formula. This antibacterial cleanser is crucial for maintaining paw hygiene because it eliminates 99% of bacteria and is specifically made for dog paw care. A vital component of any dog paw care kit, this treatment guarantees the well-being of your pet. Wet Ones Daily Cleaning Solutions for Pets for all pet owners. This quick and simple dog paw washer offers a practical answer. Convenient dog cleaning supplies from wet ones are ideal for keeping a dog's paws clean and healthy. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.